Tube TV. Yeah, man, I'm gonna pre. Treat yourself. That's what the thing there, yeah.
Yo, you don't know it's Matterhorn. Straight Tube TV. I mean, mama, you don't know why.
A running in an altercation with that person or no knowings of that person, they erase that from their whole being of being the super entertainer. I'm a superstar now. So these fuckers will dissect the part that seemed to them as a cancer to them. But yet still, you will talk about, I've been sick before, I've been through illness. But yet still, you want to eliminate the real essence of what links you to being sick. So dancehall artists, they will talk about the struggles when me just did come in at the business, me get some fight and they will say that, but they will not. They will eliminate anything will really associate them with their past. For instance, Matterhorn. I'm going to use me as a prime example. Out of all of these fuckers that I bust in my musical career, did you know it's only 2 people in the dance hall where me bust? 4 people in the dance hall that I bust. Me response to uno. Me bill uno. It's only 4 of them out of hundreds. Only 4 ever refer back to Matterhorn as the man who brought me to the forefront. One, them give who them want to give credit. Why you think over the years, me and Bounty Killer have war and it can't fix? Why you think? Because when some of these fuckers give him credit when work I did, he took the credit and tough up him blood clot ugly face like, bitch, don't do that. Don't ever do that. Don't take credit for what you didn't do. Kind of the long run, you're just a hypocrite. You understand? And for years, I watch these fuckers do it, but true is a part of the business. I came into the business and I have to enhance the business so others follow me and so I just avoid it and ignore it. But the truth is the truth. Artists give people ratings who they want to give ratings, and the person who really forget the ratings, they shun it and hide the light from that person because we don't want you to know that other person. Because I say it and some fans get vexed and I tell them, go suck your mother, because the truth is the truth. How you know the fucking artist there? How you know the artist there? It's not the artist where you follow back and make you know him. It's the selector who play him, make you know him. Because you wasn't at every fucking show. Like, I remember in a pandemic, I talk my mind on some people the vex. Butler, my brother from Atlanta the vex. When me I said, Vybz Kartel, and me boss Vybz Kartel and Links and Trooper boss Vybz Kartel, and me have to proof them. And then they did a try chat off them out and me just lick them with facts and proof. I said, no boy can't tell me nothing. You can't rewrite my history. Because my history is documented, so you cannot lie about the history. Like everything was bust from 97 come right up to the 2000. Other than some little country artists, we are Ricky Trooper and Squingy and Pink Panther bus. Every Mama Bumba Rascal to bus in the dance hall from 1997 come right up to 2000 and say 2010. And Matterhorn bust them. Matterhorn responsible for them. No care how big them think them is or them name. And me responsible to them. Cause me run dancehall. And me are the hottest, the biggest, the baddest, the most powerful Jamaican selector from them time till now. So do the maths. If you in the dancehall, make we do a ear, make we pick a ear. Make we pick a ear. Make we pick a blood clot ear. Alright. Why you think me have a problem sometimes? Me have to say, Baby Sham, you know I never yet hear you come out and say Tony Matterhorn. And me live for see, Baby Sham, they are culture clash and say fire links, fire bomber clock links, my rival, response for Baby Sham. I'm saying, no, them things that I want to come and go and just bust up some shot. Come here and say, what the blood clot me just a hear? What is me just a hear? Remember, me see the clipping in and I say, really? But this is true, I'm a superhuman being. I'm above these things, but sometimes I just talk about it when I remember. Like, yeah, you care, and me not talk nothing when I have no proof. When them had the clash with Chris Diamond them and the whole of them and the one where them robbed Chris Diamond at Jamaica, the last Red Bull competition, they said firelings. And me remember, because Jamaicans act like them blood clot memory part, only remember what they want to remember. And me no work off of Jamaicans. Me remember every fucking thing. Let me do the match now. 1999, 98, 99. When Baby Sham a boss, every fucking Baby Sham had to come through Matterhorn's hand. That means I am the first one who is going to be playing these songs at any fucking event. Now give me 99. The first time Groundsman played was 99 Polo Club. Delano's Revenge. That's the first time. Me and them no Groundsman. So me have a Groundsman. The first time that song ever played. Nobody knew what that song was saying. Not even myself. I didn't even know what the song was saying. Dave Kelly bring the song to me and said, this is your mission tonight. Mental ill to kill. And him give me the fucking record, because them go cut it on a record. And I stopped the dance because me have a photographic memory, you know. Alien brain, you know. And I said, what up? Revenge. I'm about to play a song. Rachel, it was there. I do not know what this song is saying. But the artist who do that song, yeah, is a bad artist and known to do pure bad song. The producer is known to be a bad producer. So let us analyze what this song is saying. And we are going to tell if it bust or it not bust. If it make it or it not make it. All the sound and the crowd say, yeah, I'm going to put on the song. And the record go. Are you here? And this is the crowd stand up. And I'm looking at the crowd, they're looking at me. I'm doing the same thing as them because Shabba said, DJ is cock up in the mirror boom rhythm. So the whole of it the the first couple lines. No line from the song, just the rhythm. Me and them no grounds, man. So and the whole fucking crowd. So, you know, it hurt my heart when me hear the Dave Kelly camp, Baby Sham them, one day a Red Bull say, Firelinks. And I'm like, so Firelinks, did I play the blood clot song them over fully loaded? You see, people will try to rewrite your history in the future and not forgetting that no, you can't do it like that. There are people who are still alive who fucking knows the truth. So no, Firelink never bust yet. Firelink never bust to when in betray Matterhorn 2000, and then we have to kill him everywhere. And this was when Firelinks, their country, are play bodyguard still, and we don't even know him at all. But yet still, me come out and hear Uno say, Firelinks. So a Firelinks bus, Babylon boy, they tune them from broke out, bug, and all of these things. I got me bumbuckle at one know. That's why I tell you, say, these fuckers hide the true nature of their history, they hide where them want to hide and big up who and glorify who them want to glorify. And I'm like, how the fuck? Big up Firelinks, but you never even did it. No way, did it. So when Matterhorn play all these tunes, remember we are talking about fully loaded. Alright. I say a thing, and Butler they take me up on it. But forget that Matterhorn is a living legend. So I have the data and all the information and the intel in my brain. And nobody in dancehall cannot argue with Matterhorn. Because I keep facts. I keep a library at the dancehall. I document it. And it's factual because I have proof. Alright. Vybz Kartel. The King Vybz Kartel. Remember, in a pandemic, I said, I'm responsible for the Vybz Kartel. And Butler, this is Rowan Butler who bring Vybz Kartel to the forefront and bring him to everybody. Butler was into his feelings because I never mentioned him name. But the argument I was talking about never include Butler. So at the time, I see why I'm in my feelings. Butler, my friend. But Butler said, oh, Matterhorn, I'm going to do a live and say, remember, I give you Vybz Kartel, I never play. I say, Butler, because I'm a fucking king, I play it when I feel like. You are Kartel, can't tell me when to play Kartel. Kartel, are you one boss, and I'm you one boss. Me play when me feel like. And I said, Butler, I am going to New York, Retete. When I come back, I'm going to play them. And I did come back and play them. And I like said, when we leave in bus, no, I'm going for a week and come back. And I mean, see one bus them. Because the first time, a Vybz Kartel ignite the whole of Jamaica, a big section of Jamaica was over fully loaded. 2001. Now, bear in mind, if you're a Gaza fan, that means you have to go back. Gaza come way down, so you have to go back to Vybz Kartel empire when it started built. And you would have known that history would tell you that when did Vybz Kartel bust? 2002. Okay. So I said, Butler, Kartel bust 2002. 2001, Matterhorn uses a Vybz Kartel dub plate and lock off Adonai. Who remember that? Remember, Trooper did come attack me too, but I have the proof, and I am living testimony. Ricky Trooper gets some Vybz Kartel after, and then never show you something. Over, and 2002, 2001, 2001, when it was so bad, and fuck up Adonai over fully loaded with the Vybz Kartel. First thing, tell them some better than them, real bad man start better than them. You see? And not only that, at the time, Assassin bus 2001, Vybz Kartel bus 2002. At the time, if you are a fucking artist and you're in dancehall and you want bus in a bomber blood clot Kingston, Jamaica, Mobile, You have to come to Matterhorn, because Matterhorn are the biggest Jamaican selector. And me run all the events them that run Jamaica. Great Adventures, Ross, Fully Loaded, Stainless, Twisted Spirit, Gin and Ju. You see? So, Delano's Revenge. So, all the bomber rascal you have a bust if Matterhorn don't play. Do that much, sir. More somebody answer the question before we move on. If you now get play for Fully Loaded, Overloaded, Reloaded, Delano's Revenge, all of these things, how are you going to bust? How are you going to bust? If a Stone Love run the place, and Stone Love not play you, or Jamrock, when at the time in Jamrock and Travelers, if on a Jamrock or Stone Love, who bust you? You can't bust. You can't bust if the top man now play you, your son. You cannot. You see how important selectors are? If the top selector will play upon all of the main events, now play your song, you can't bust. No care how bad your blood clot is. You're just gonna be bad and gone to the wayside. No care how wicked or lyrical you are going to the wayside if they done them now play. Wrong or right? You see? So, do the math. Assassin. What do you, Villaranayan and them place there? What do you, when me do the fix, I'm look for Assassin, because Assassin am my youth. I'm say, Sasko, you hurt my heart. Because from time after time, I see these artists hurt my heart. And sometimes I just get ignorant and curse out them blood clot, but certain people I don't curse out, like Assassin, I would not curse out Jeffrey, because Jeffrey is not that type of entity. You understand? Assassin a decent youth, him not in them something. So when I address him in a decent manner. You understand? I wouldn't address Assassin in an aggressive manner. Agent Sasko, wanna call him. Assassin now. He's a decent one. So when I address Assassin, I address him to how his nature is. And this man is not a violent person nor a violator person. So I will not address him like that. I address him intellectually. Intellectually, I addressed it on the fix. And I said, I felt a way when Assassin said, him grateful, and him kept something saying grateful, and him invite all of the people them who him grateful to, but you didn't fucking invite Tony Matterhorn. Now that's a disrespect, Jeffrey. That is a fucking disrespect. Because the last time me check, and me ball out my throat hole, and say, I want to know that you tell me I'm Assassin. Nobody no fucking know who Assassin, well, Assassin Creed, the video game never even start making. You see me, Kevin? Nobody remembers, never remember. They don't even know who that is. When I play Assassin over Delano's Revenge, from the superstar with him, and play Matterhorn, tell them we lock gun, stop gun, pile up and shotgun, and the man them bust be a gunshot over the pole field. Nobody knew who I played. Nobody in the only person there probably know who I played was Assassin Brother and Jazzy T, Dr. Dre, and DJ Kareem. Other than those names that I called, nobody on the polo field, and Spragga Benz was there. Nobody knew who that kid was. And a theme song shoot up the polo field. Them time the Assassin never record. Assassin boss before him had a record, you know. Before, to the world I dedicate this song. Him boss over blood clot polo field. Tony Matterhorn, boss assassin over polo field. And the following year, fully loaded, me assassin do a dub with Baby Sham, who him sound like. Remember, me are the only one can play a Baby Sham and assassin. And that song they fuck up Firelinks. And lock off Firelinks over fully loaded after me I beat the shit out of him and I go like you know concede the defeat. I'm gonna go and play assassin and Baby Sham. And him ball out. That a lie. That tune they lie. Baby Sham not do no song with assassin. And I say, bitch. That's how you think. What I say? So you're hyping up because you're on the beach, huh? What you would have do when Matterhorn reach, huh? And then Baby Sham come in and say, I want to tell them better let up I'm so simple for me. Count to 10. Assassin and Baby Sham. Me are the only person can play that. Because me are the Dan. And me are the man. I'm a sound god. I'm a god of sound. That's how I make my position for earth. I'm a god of sound. I do the impossible. Yeah. And me do the blood clot impossible. Me get the combination where people dream of or people dare not think of. Look on Mavado Kartel. And me do that, you know. And me get Mavado and Kartel for the special that people are say, oh, Soundman said that special was fake. I don't know one dub, a three Mavado and Kartel. And people was like, that fake and Mavado and Kartel are war. Mavado and Kartel are war for Uno. But them now war for me and me I done. My boss before them. So if me say more on that, you know which combination me did forget I not get? And guess why I not get it? And a true me never want it. Make me not get it. You know which combination me forget I not get? Massacre I Donor. And if you don't see Massacre or not see I Donor, ask them. Me, I go get the combination. I remember the two man them agree, but the two artists them rate Matterhorn so much and rate both of them so much that me say, bad man, me need me dub. I don't want that dub there. The reason why me never get the dub, if you don't believe me, ask Pantherson, ask I Donor, I ask Massacre anytime I see them. The reason why me not get the dub, and me end up have to leave, go. I'm up here. I'm a vice. Massacre. I'm a vice. I Donor. Down by down sound. While them up. While I Donor at the rear sound. I Donor come in at the yard and forward in the yard and the down sound and I say mental. You ready? I'm say, I'm going to go all the vibes. I'm going all the vibes. I'm a mate. I Donor doing rehearsal. I'm there in there. And when I time I Donor a DJ and me hold the microphone and start DJ and we then there bug out and when the artist done, I'm say yeah, the rehearsal, 2 hours with a rehearsal, the voice ready now. I'm going to go so I said Donor more on this. Them time the Donor have